What is community? If we talk about community, it is a group of people living in the same place or having a particular characteristic in common. It could be anything. In community, we could socialize with many people that have same interests with us, share many things including knowledge, doing specific activities together, and so on. In here, I want to share about my experience in joining a business community.
For this 1 year, I already joined 2 communities. There are BIM or Business Initiative Movement and also KABA. BIM is Business Initiative Movement. It's a community organization that established in 2015. The founder is an MBA student of SBM ITB, Kajef, his name. The interesting thing is, at the very first beginning, he made this community, but only for a sign-on project. But turned out that he found another vision, he found something that he can add to the community, and he decided to make business initiative. To be honest, at the very first beginning, I didn't even know about BIM until my friend told me and asked me about the BIM and asked me to join the community. Before that, I did a mini research first, and turned out that although BIM barely new, but there are already a lot of people that join BIM. They came from different sectors of business, for example, food and beverage, agriculture, farming, also fashion, retail, and so on. So we can mutually share our business. We could benchmarking or share about business information. Other than that, BIM also do some partnership with other community program. So they held an event, a business event that we can join freely as a volunteer or even get a free time. All of this about why I want to join them. One of the events that I already joined is called Your Fest. Your Fest is a young entrepreneurship festival. It's a huge event that being held in Telkom University in October 28, 2018. There are seminar, workshop, and also a business bazaar. In there, I met a lot of people. Most of them are BIM members or other community members like HIPMI Bandung. In their booth, we can share our business knowledge or business problems, benchmarking, and so on. In seminar, the speakers are very interesting because there are a lot of famous person or other inspirational entrepreneurs. Overall, the event was pretty good, and it gave me a lot of benefits about business knowledge.
The second that I recently joined is KABA. It is a community that developed a VR media for manasik haji. It is very brilliant. Because I recently joined, so far I only joined their study activity. Every Thursday, they make a mini religious study in their office. Their office is in the SBM ITB beside Green Hub. All of the members, they have their own job specification. When I visited them, some of them did the coding, meeting, or even developed their technical system. It was very interesting to directly visit a creative work environment and witnessing the process. From my experience this 1 year in joining the community, I got a lot of benefits. I could know other people, expand my networking and relations, sharing about business knowledge and information that I could apply on my business, whether if there is a problem or simply want to develop my business. It is very advantageous because overall, joining business association or community entering me into a group that is dedicated to helping my business and professionals grow in a number of ways.